All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. The market's been kind of crazy this past, 5 days or so, or 3 or 4 days. Today was kind of crazy as well. We dropped almost $6,000, 6,200. We ended up with minus 766 right now. The past week, down 61.55. 3 months, 98.12. Oh, sorry, that was 1 month. 3 months, 17,568. Year to date, 13,330. 1 year mark, 3507. And also green for 1 year at 48%, 17,745. Our peak was about 100% at 30 some thousand. Let's see, 35,000. Yeah, right around 35,000. All right. And that's all thanks to staying green, obviously, is mostly dividends and options trading. So it keeps me green for now. So, yeah, it's been a crazy week. This video is going to be about how much I made last month in dividend income and option income. And we can get into that right now. Let's see here. We'll go to history. We'll go to options first. And I'm just going to go quick through these. So if we start in March, I'm just going to scroll through so you guys can see. I'll scroll up. So we had right there, start at the bottom, 88, 86, 117, 12, 105, 18, 5, minus 9, 18, 46, 45. I was assigned 4,200. I'm not going to count that. I'm just counting the options premiums. Obviously, I got to get rid of that, those shares there. Google, $100, 21, 31, 3, 83 with Google, GameStop 31, 41 and 15. We had Misty with $60 and a few rolls there, minus $1. GameStop was 7, SMCI 29, and Google 5. So a total of options income for the month was $860. I'm going to put the totals on the description, so if you guys want to skip to that, go for it, go check them out. And the dividend income for March, let's see if we scroll down. I'm not going to get into the details of all of them, so it's not a long video. But we had Ford paid twice, QYLD, JEP, Q, JEPI, Pfizer, Microsoft's YieldMax. You'll see a lot of YMAG and YMAX and QDT because they pay every week. There's Exxon, AGNC, Realty Income. And the big one there, right there, MSTY, 1377. That's 1,000 shares. Less than last month. Last month it was 2,000 on that one. YMZ, oh yeah, YMAG, YMAX, AMZ, Y, QDTE. Google paid $20. PSEC, TSLY paid 463. Not a lot, but it's money. It's good. Those three again, those weekly. Then we have Main, ARR, FEPI, SPHD, YMAG, YMAX, SPYI, QDT was 7, and QYLD $55, SCHD $35. So a total of dividend income for the month was $2,247.66. Not bad. So then we have to subtract. I have Robinhood Gold, which is $5, and then we have margin that I have to pay. So my last margin payment in March was $149.21. So a total of $2,953.45. So not bad, almost 3,000 after fees and everything. Not bad at all. I do want to say be careful if you guys are in margin. I was really close to a high risk this past week. I'm low risk now. Things changed, kind of prices went up or values went up. But I'm trying to get rid of that 33,000 there. I do have a backup plan if it does get a little risky again. I have 100 shares of Google that I bought with margin. I am down 1830 right now on that. But if I have to get rid of it as an emergency, we can cash in about 15,000 bucks towards margin if I need to. So that's the backup plan, and probably other shares as well that I hold. But Google would be probably the first one to go as of right now if we have an emergency with margin. So I know some of you might ask that. Be very careful with margin. My 33,000 is a lot, but it's about half of what I use, or half of what I'm provided. So I am still on low margin risk. I'll show you guys what I'm paying down there at the bottom. Annual rate, so daily interest, $5.13 per day on the 33,000 that I'm using. So all right, guys, I wanted to give you an update. All the details on the income for dividends and options and fees are in the description. I'm going to make another video. The next one, gold members now get a, what do we get? We get a management fee. So this thing here, it's right here. It's called Robinhood Strategies. And I'm going to do a video on this next. So what they do is they give you like an advisor, I guess, or they advise on your investments, and the fee is 0.25 per year, capped at 250 bucks with 100,000, anything over 100,000. So that's for gold members, but I'm going to set this up as a Roth IRA. I don't have a Roth IRA. I have other stuff, but I don't have one on Robinhood, and I don't have a separate one either. So I figured I might open one and just go through the steps on this to show you guys what it looks like if you have gold and you do Robinhood strategies and how they invest the money. So I might start it with 50 bucks or 100 bucks just to give you guys an example of how it works. That might be my next video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, or something, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.